Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Khushbu and thank you so much for being here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I extend a half moon moss pole. Right here, I have my variegated Epipremnum Pinnatum that I received last year from Green Spaces ID in February 2022. It did struggle a little bit in the beginning to grow, but since it has flourished for me, and as you can see, it has outgrown its original moss pole, so now it's time to add another one. Before we add the moss pole, let me give you a closer look on this plant. Let me show you the roots first. The roots are looking beautiful. And as you can see, they have covered almost the entire pole. Look at these new growth points. Right here, there's one more right here. And now the most exciting part is this newest leaf, and it has fenestration. And I just cannot wait for it to unfurl. To make a half moon moss pole, this is what you will need. First, you will need some moss, and I have already kept this moss in water for 5 to 6 minutes. A pair of scissors or pruner, some zip ties, fern pin to secure your plants, half moon moss pole, and a wooden skewer. I'm going to fill some moss in here, but first I'm going to squeeze out all the excess water as hard as I can. And I'm going to keep this on the side. Right here. I think it should be enough. So now I'm going to take some moss and I'm going to fill this. Make sure you leave out some space because this part is going to be sitting on top of the other half moss pole. So I'm going to fill this from the other end. Whenever you are filling your pole with the moss, don't make it too dense, rather keep it light. That way the roots of your plant will grow easily inside the moss. So now I'm going to attach this other half moss pole on top of this moss pole. Before I attach it, I'm going to cut these zip ties from the both sides. The moss pole, I made it earlier. I kept it a little bit wider so it can easily fit on top of the old moss pole, and carefully put the moss pole on top and secure it with zip ties on both sides. Really slowly, take your time. Thank you. So my husband is helping me here. Now I'm going to cut this excess tie. I'm going to use this fern pin to secure my plant. As this moss pole is not deep enough, I'm inserting it at the angle. And as you can see, I'm inserting this pin at each node, so that way it will be easier for roots to go inside the moss. A few more. And also I'm keeping the vine at the center of this pole. All the materials I used in this video can be found in the description below, so make sure you check out the links. So this is how it's looking right now. And as you can see, I have directed the roots in the moss, and now I'm going to keep the moss moist so that way the roots can grow easily inside the moss, and it will help the plant to grow better. There is one thing that I'll keep in mind is that I won't let the moss dry out completely. I water my moss pole when it's slightly moist. What it does, that it helps absorb water quicker. If the moss is dry, it gets difficult to water. And that's it for today. If you have any question or feedback, feel free to leave them in the comment below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.